let's start our lesson. Open your books at page 44. The theme of our lesson is the changing face of transportation. Please open your book and then open tabs which I sent you. Watch the video and listen. Exercise number 1. What important events in the history of transportation happened in the years in the list? Exercise number 1. Alihan, please, first.
1769. Up until the 18th century, most people traveled by sailing boat, horse or stagecoach. But in 1769, there was a major breakthrough when the Scottish inventor James Watt invented the steam engine.
Yes, Zarina, the second.